Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman. So we will see how to assemble this electric car. So let's open this and follow the steps that I will show you. Okay, so be sure that this will overlap like this. So bottom part, top part, and this part will come over here like this. Or like you can just make it like this also. It depends what you want to show, what you don't want to show. It's not symmetric over here. It has to be symmetric. All the holes should pass through, so it comes like this. So all the holes should be passing through. There should be no there should be overlap of all these slots that we have, so it will look like this. Okay, now first thing is that you just need to use this wooden, you can say the ceramic part, and insert that into the slots that we have for assembling the motor parts. Now you have this motor. See, this will come over here, and you will put the wheel part will come over here. So let's see whether it is going or not. So both the shaft is same. So as you can see, it is now rotating. And you have to fix this such that this part will come over here, the slot that we have. Okay, so it will look like this. The same, you have this 4. You need to be sure that how it will come. So all these 4 will come like this. If you make it like this, it will moving far away from this side, so it will come like this, and you have to assemble these wheels with this motor in this way. So just doing this way, I just show you quickly. This is smooth part, this is the smooth part, this is the rough part. The smooth part is going over here. Okay, so now this black part has been assembled. Now we have to assemble the wheels with all these 4 motors. So you can see it has a slot, right? This square slot has to be gone to this square shaft that we have. Okay, so this all the wheels has been assembled. Now we just need to fix Now we need to fix this with the base that we have. For that we have this slots are given, and let's see how can we are going to fix this. Okay, so this is very complicated. What you have to do, I will let you know. First, place this pin, and we need one more you can say this screw over here. So we need 2 screws. Now as you can see, we have 2 holes over here. So we have 2 holes that from where this 2 screw will go up, and you have to screw this from this side. So let's see. Now I don't require this thing. I will remove that. And now I am just trying to fix this. Before that, what I need to do, I need to put this part also. Okay, so it will come over here, and then I have this thing. It will make like that. So this is the first part. So first thing was to assemble this wheel, small wheel that we got. Now make this connected, this plastic thing, T thing connected with a screw over here, and then you have this one slot on this base, and try to make this a connection like this and screw it. So as you can see, now this motor has been fixed. Now just you can have this wheel and you can put it. Before that, I will just put all these motors on all these slots, so that it will be easy for me to put the wheels afterwards. Okay, so as you can see, I have assembled the motors on all the 4, you can say 4 wheels type, or 4 spaces where the spaces is given. Now second thing is that you can just have wheels mounted on this, so be sure to check it. Okay, so now the wheels has been mounted on this, and just check it out whether they are rotating or not. This one is not rotating quite perfectly, it is sliding. Now on the top part, what you can do, you have to place this battery thing. So you have these two holes, and that has to be gone over here. We have given this small screws that you can use to join with this part. You can place this, go back side and try to screw it. Okay, so this has been done. Now we have to make the wiring connections for this thing. So as you can see, we have given these copper slots which are the power cable for this, and you have to check it out which one which go, but as we have given this red and black, you can just know what to put it. So I will just check it out before assembling all this thing. Okay, so as we can have this 1.5 volt batteries for each of these wheels, so they can have 1.5 voltage battery. Like I can have this 1.5 battery that can give power to each wheel. So 4 batteries are required to give power for 4 wheels. Now let's do the connection. So take it out, black and red as a pair. What you need to do, join over here in the slots that we have, so that I will show you. So you have to just join it. Let's say red on top, black on bottom. So black one is going for the positive side of the battery, and the red one is going for the negative side. So the wheel is rotating. So in this way you have to make all the connections for all these 4 motors. Okay, so as you can see, I have connected the wires which are as shown. So red, black, red, black. So the bottom one is positive and the top one is negative. Same way over here, the bottom is positive, the top is negative. So all the connections should be like that only. And I can show you how it will rotate. So the red one is positive, it is going for the positive part of this battery. Okay, so this is for all the wheels that you can do. Now we have to put this top part over here and we have to just assemble it. Okay, so the last part that I want to show you, that how to use these dowel pins with the screw that we have. So you just need to be sure that these pins are using for the support like this. So you need to what you need to do, you need to place this dowel pins over here and just put the screw like this. And then just tighten it. So this is for the top part. The same you have to put it from the bottom also. So you will put a screw from the bottom and just tighten it. But before that, just put the dowel pins and the screw wherever you want to put it. So there are 6 dowel pins. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So at the corners and the sides I can put the dowel pins, and that will make you the assembly, the complete assembly of this car. So as you can see, the dowel pins with the screw has been inserted with between these plates, the base that we have, and the screws are being mounted, or you can say they are screwed into this and mount with on the mounted dowel pins. So we have this kind of structure now as a final assembly of this vehicle, or you can say this toy car. And before that, you can just take this wiring out from this part, so that you don't mess up with the wirings that you have. And you can just combine this with this wiring, so red with red, and then your car will be working. Okay, so I have done a connection with these wires, so red is with red and blue is with the blue. I just be sure the batteries are with the connections having positive terminals and negative terminals. So as you can see, it is rotating and getting a more power. So the assembly has been done.